Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to get Subway Surfers City. So without any further ado, let's get started. Update the game. Make sure Subway Surfers is updated to the latest version on the App Store or Play Store. Launch Play Store or Apple Store app on the device. New cities are introduced during World Tour updates, which happens every few weeks. Then tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner. Next, search for Subway Surfers. If you have the update button, tap on it. But if you don't have the button, then it means you have the latest version of the game. Launch the game. Open Subway Surfers. If a new city is active, you'll see it featured on the home screen with a theme background and logo like Subway Surfers Tokyo or New York. Cities change automatically. You can't manually select a city. The game updates the current city based on the global world tour schedule. So, each time there's an update, the city changes automatically. Participate in city events. Each cities come with unique characters or outfits, hoverboards, collection or token events. Be sure to check the Events tab and Season Hunt to unlock rewards tied to that city. To check, tap on the Event button from the bottom right corner of your screen. No option to revisit past cities. Unless there's a throwback event, you can go back to old cities manually. So grab the rewards while they're available. And that's how you can get Subway Surfers City.